So today we're looking at question 237, delete node in a linked list. So we are supposed to write a function to delete a node in a singly linked list. We will not be given access to the head of the list. Instead, we will be given the node to be deleted directly. And it says that the node to be deleted is definitely not the last node or the tail node in the list. And so given this example, 4519, given node 5, we're supposed to basically use our delete node function to kind of remove or delete the node 5, and the linked list will become 419 after calling our function. There's a couple more examples. And the constraints are that the number of nodes in a linked given list is in the range 2 to 1,000. So at least 2 nodes to a maximum of 1,000, and then the values are between -1,000 and 1,000. And the value of each node in the list is unique. Okay. And then the node to be deleted is in the list and not a tail node. Okay. So given, let's look at example 2 first. And given this example over here, if we want to delete this given node number 1, we kind of have to basically break this link and then chain this to this node, right? So we kind of have to somehow either get access to this node, so we can point the dot next to the nodes dot next, number 1's dot next, to do that. But we cannot really do that because we're not given access to the previous nodes in the linked list. We are only given access to we're only given the node 1 in this case. So what we can do instead is to copy over the value of 9 like this. And then once that's done, it's as if it's like we did that breaking and then pointing to the next node. And after we copy over the value, we point this node's dot next to original node 9's next value, which in this case is a none. And this should work for other examples, like example 1 as well, because same thing. Let's try to walk through it again. The goal here is to point 4 to 1, node 4 to node 1. However, to do that, what we can do is kind of just copy over 1 to this node. So that's already like pointing node 4 to 1. And then we can do something about this link. Let's change the color. Break this link and instead point it to original node 1's dot next. Yeah. Okay, so with that in mind, let's start implementing. Okay, so node. So to copy over, we just do node.val is equal to, what's it equal to? Node.next.value val, and then okay, so we've done the copying, and then we want to link it to the correct node. So if they did not specify that it's guaranteed that the node to be deleted it's the last node, we kind of have to check if we are deleting the last node or not, because if we're deleting the last node, .next does not exist. But since we don't have to care about that because it will never be the last node to delete, we can actually just set node.next to .next, and then we return. So let's try submitting it. Okay, looks like it passed. Alright, thank you.